Today I had a special request to do a paperclip ring with the symbol for the South Korean boy band Enhypen. We are going to make this with a paperclip, so we're going to open up the paperclip. You need to get some flat pliers, and we are going to go slowly and straighten out the little bends in the paperclip. You can also do this by hand, but the paperclips are quite stiff. They're made out of stainless steel, and if you don't have a paper clip, you can use 20 gauge or 18 gauge wire. It's about 3 3/4 inches long. So we're going to form the letter E with our tweezer nose pliers. These are Xuron tweezer nose pliers, and if you don't have these, you can use any flat pliers with a fine end. So we're forming the E with the flat pliers, and then we're going to go right in and bring the wires straight up to form an N. Keep in mind this is a very stylized design. We are a little limited making symbols with wire, especially when there are spaces in the symbol. So we're just going to do an E and an N to represent their symbol. Straighten it out a little bit, and I'll link up a playlist of letter and name tutorials in the description below the video if you want to do other names or initials. So we're going to bend the wire to the back of the N, give it a little squeeze, and then we want to bend it straight out to form the ring. So just give it a little pinch if you need to straighten it out. From there, I'm getting a round form. This is a Crayola marker. We're going to wind the wire around the marker and use some round nose pliers to curve out the end. So there we go. We're going to straighten it out, and there is the ring. Now, a different method to do this is just to form the outside of the E, and then the middle line will actually be the same wire as the ring band. You'll see as it goes. So we have what looks like a C, but it's just kind of a U shape there. And now we're going to form the N. So we're going to bring the wire straight up for the N and down, and then up again. And then from there, as before, we're going to bend the wire to the back and then straight across. Give it a little bit of a pinch, and then we'll form the ring band with the marker. Just push the wire around the round form, and then we can curve out the end. Now if this is too long, you can always trim it. Just don't use your best cutters with this wire. It's very stiff. So now if you push the wire down, that ring band represents the middle of the E.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.